Okay, this is a brief explanation of what we're about to do. This is a Ssangyong Actyon 2008. What we're going to do is remove the tensioner screw, which is this one. This is the new one. We're going to put this. What this does basically is push the tensioner. That way, when the car gets hot, it doesn't go so much like this. This car has been sitting for 4.5 years now without use, and it's gonna give me a whole bunch of different problems. Right now it's the tensioner. After a few minutes, when it gets hot, it starts sounding sad. It gives a sound like a clicking right up here, which means the tensioner is not doing its job. The tensioner is supposed to go maximum like this. The one that is inside now, it's going all the way down. This tensioner screw is actually right down here. So down there. I don't know if I can get the light on. Yeah. You can't see it. You will be able to see it later on, but it's right here. Right there. For that, you have to remove the connection of the EGR valve. I just unplugged it over here and moved it down. That way I don't have to take it up. And this pipe that goes from the turbo to the intake. Remove those two. Then you have to get the correct diameter wrench for this one. Remove that one and put the new one in. I have a mechanic who's helping me, assisting me doing this. That way I don't have to get my hands too dirty. Because it's Daddy's Day today, so I'm taking care of my son. So right now he's in the back playing, I don't know, yeah, you can see his feet right up there. He's in the truck playing around, so it's Daddy's Day, so I can't get my hands too dirty. So I'll be back as soon as my mechanic comes with the right wrench. We'll start removing it. That way you can see the rest of it. Okay, this is the screw you just took out. You can see it goes all the way down. Mira cómo está botando todo el aceite. It's not supposed to do that. Eso no lo debe hacer eso. That's the new one. That's the difference. So when you have a clacking sound on your engine, change that screw. That's the new one. Y ese es el mecánico que es genio con esa vaina. Así que cuando tengan problemas con Ssangyong, me avisan. Le mando al genio de eso. Here it is together. No more clicking sound. No more weird clicking sounds. So, ya se le quitó el ruido. No está esa tembladera en el motor. Así que todo era por culpa de un tornillo.